Like everybody knows Paris Hilton from where I came, so from there I know that. Or if it's the last thing that I will eat in my life, it's what I want to have. I know that Hilton is a monster in the industry. Like, I'm questioning that to myself, what kind of cuisine we are. My really favorite dish in the world, like even someone can poison me with that. I'm very happy to be here in this part of the world to show to everybody, like even the girls in the Middle East can be something. Hola guys, I'm Maria Gallegos, the new head chef of Vicks JBR. I'm from Mexico, from Monterrey, and here we go. So we will start from the beginning. Who is Maria Gallegos? Girl from a small family. We are 3 sisters. I'm the only one that is living out of the country, from Mexico. So I'm here in the Middle East to prove, in first place, to myself that I can do it, and second time to prove to the world that the girls can be very big in this part of the world, because some of the people out of the Middle East, they have the bad understanding, like the girls, they cannot do anything. That is a completely mistake, because here everybody is the same. It's depend of your qualification, how passionate you can be for your work, and of course in base of your skills and tasks.
Recruiting specialty chefs and sit in food tasting and cook-off panels and all that. But once we had Maria here the first time, I have to admit that was one of the most enjoyable food tastings, cook-offs that we ever had. What you expect in a food tasting, right? Also really good quality, creative dishes, chirpy personality coming out, right? Something that nowadays you really would like to have. Happy to have her.
My place is very famous for the barbecue, so for that reason I took the decision to join this place. As our signature dishes is the Chinese oven that is smoking all the steaks or different items that we have in the menu. Guys, now let me tell you a little bit about my experience in Hilton and Vicks. Okay, as everybody knows, Hilton is a very famous brand worldwide. Like for example, for me, I knew it because I'm from this pop art, I would call it. Like everybody knows Paris Hilton from where I came, so from there I know what is Hilton. So then after I introduced myself to the hospitality industry, I know that Hilton is a monster in the industry. Like it's one of the principal companies that develop all this industry, about the standards, about the customer service. And then if we move to my personal experience, honestly, I'm very happy with them. Like in the way that they introduce me, all the support that they are giving me. And then if we move for my current location, that is Hilton JBR Dubai, I'm very happy to work with my boss, with Chef Steven. He's giving me full support all the time, giving me the freedom to create my menus, to develop my recipes, to train my staff in the way that I want to do it. And then from Vicks, I will say they are a master of franchise company, so they are doing very well in the way that they are doing, like to have this mixed menu. Like even sometimes people is asking, like, what kind of cuisine is that? Sometimes I'm questioning that to myself, what kind of cuisine we are. But it's very interesting because you have all mixed in a very nice way. Like you have Asian bases with American ones, that is part of my roots, and also a little bit of European. But when you mix all these one, really we create amazing dishes. and start the plating. Or triple cooked potatoes. Then we have our steak that we smoke in the Chinese oven, and we finalize to cook there inside. Then we have our sauteed green beans. We finalize with Maldon salt. Very nice experience in the country. I will say for my destiny or for my good luck. So Asia de Cuba, I will say, is the most impacted work that I even have, because that company was amazing. Plus, they, I will say, push out all my love from the Latin cuisine and the Asian cuisine. I will say that maybe in my previous life I was Japanese or Chinese, because I'm so crazy for the Asian food. I think we won the best restaurant in Abu Dhabi, best Latino restaurant in Abu Dhabi, and we won a lot of rewards at that time. At that time our waiting list was for 3 hours, and people used to wait 3 hours outside of the door just to go in. Every Friday Thursday and Friday, we used to make 400 covers between lunch, then brunch, and then the dinner. Honestly, I'm having a very nice time here.